Magenta Umaga. Good morning. Friday morning on the build. Well, we got a lot of comments on the last video. So we stopped construction. We're going to stop construction until we have a structural engineer come and look at the house and we get a building permit. So, joke. This house isn't gonna fall down. I'm getting comments, putting my life at risk living in this thing. Give me a break, people. Like every square foot of this thing is rebarred in. If you guys watch the older videos, the roof is 4-inch square grid of rebar. There's no way this thing can fall down. So I'll give you an update this morning. Oh, and a building permit. People, it's not a thing here yet. Might be in the future, but not now. Trust me, we looked into it. Barangay clearance is all you need. Barangay captain says it's all right. You do it. There's no government up here. I mean, someone said we got to get an inspection from a fire department. Look at this. You think there's a fire department up here? There's no police, there's no fire department, there's no utilities. What you see is what you get. No government up here, hardly. One man runs the show, barangay captain. And he actually brought us sand yesterday. So, and some of you people think, oh, well, he's waiting until after you build and then he's gonna ask for money. That's not the way it works up here. This is a very tightly knit community up here. Everybody looks out for one another, and our barangay captain wouldn't do that. Our barangay captain, actually, he's got a pretty good gig going. So he gets all the government money for the barangay. So years ago, he started his own construction business, building roads. So he hires himself to build the roads in the barangay. Pretty smart idea. So, guys were off yesterday. There was no water. And they only worked a half day. What was it? Wednesday. So I came here yesterday at 7 a.m. and they said, no water. I said, we'll go home. So they went home and they started drinking gin at 7 in the morning. Let's see. So yesterday, everybody's afraid to go down in the well and dig. Couldn't get anybody to go down in there. It's got to be deeper. So guess who went down? I'm going to have the wife put in the video clip right now.
Sometimes when you got to get things done, you got to do it yourself.
That's it?
Sure.
Okay, so I was down in a well 3.5 hours maybe yesterday. Got a lot dug out. There's actually an earthquake while I was down in there. So you guys feel a little bit safer now that I went down there. I was digging away. There's no way that this well is gonna fall in. It's all rebarred together. So the two guys that stepped up are Elvin and Romel. So they get double pay today. Double pay. Smiles all around. Vlog. JV, are you sick? You're working, huh? That's one of my lazy nephews. Elvin's down there working, digging.
Pero siguro ko rin walang anak eh. Gayon din.
So I figure 4 or 5 more feet. Get us down far enough. I mean, the thing is, this is the end of the dry season. So the water table is as low as it's gonna get right now. So I'm thinking during the rainy season, we're gonna have probably at least 10 feet of water in that well, which is plenty for the pigs, the chickens, and me and the wife. Maybe in the future I'm planning on having a tilapia pond down here, but that's a long ways away yet. Show you what's going on the inside. Painter showed up today, so he's skim coating the inside. Trying to figure out how to. I'm gonna do like 2 separate water lines. I'm gonna have one going to the house, but this one here is going to the kitchen sink. And I'm putting a triple filtration system on there. 2.5 micron or 5 micron and a 1 micron filter at the end, so we'll have good drinking water. Okay. All right, I got Willie working on the cabinets here. I'm gonna shut your phone. All right, I'm back. I'd have Brian shut his music off so I don't get a copyright violation. The cement countertop is in, looks good. And I'll get the tile slabs to go on top of this. Save me some money. Our painter Rod. Got Alex and Devin in here. Going to storage room. Morning. Oh, we got Jerry out here. He's sealing up the old window we don't need. Melvin, you didn't tell me it was your birthday this week. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
I would have brought you some Quattro. You got 3 guys working on the hall. You should knock this out today. Bobby, Joe, and Marvin. I had one comment said that you get what you pay for because of the price we've paid so far. Kaloa and brother fixing cement. He said the house is gonna fall down and crumble in 5 years because I've only paid $28,500. Yeah, I don't know. He must have never been here because there's buildings that are 50 years old built just like this, still fine. Just need repainted. Okay, we surpassed 900 subscribers last video. Let's try to get to 1,000 to make the YouTube Nazi boss happy. Then I can quit saying it every video. So I checked the analytics. 70% of our viewers aren't subscribed. So hey, guys, just hit that subscribe button so I can quit saying this every video. The wife gets on me all the time. All right, so hit the subscribe button. This is a Friday morning update. I don't know if my wife's gonna download this now and put it out or if I'm gonna do another video this afternoon. All right, guys, talk to you later. Thanks. Later.